Hi, I'm Michelle Hernandez, and I'm going to tell you a little bit about my magic experience. My mentor's name is Dhana. I've been working with her since the beginning of the school year. She's an engineer at SurveyMonkey in San Mateo, and she shows interest in hobbies such as traveling and running. We meet every Saturday, and for the past 5 months, we've been working on my final magic project, which is creating an online version of the card game Apples to Apples. So we've used several coding languages such as JavaScript, HTML, CSS, and a little bit of jQuery. In the beginning, we used Code Academy to learn JavaScript, since I had never used the language before. We also used local storage, which is a function that we use to save data between tabs. Working with my tutor, Dhana, has really helped me further stretch my knowledge of CS, and the experience was awesome. The magic program really gave me a little taste of what it would be like to be a computer engineer, and has made me consider pursuing a career in computer science. So this is my demo. So Apples to Apples is a comparison game, and the game requires at least 3 players. One of the players is a judge, and the rest are player 1 and player 2. In our electronic version of the game, we only have 3 players due to the time limit. In the game, the judge is in charge of picking a green apple card, which is the category that the red card depends on. Player 1 and player 2 each get 3 red cards in the electronic version. After the judge has passed out the cards, and picked out a green card from the deck, they flip the green card over and display the word on the card that will serve as the category for the players. In the electronic version, however, the green card has already been picked randomly and will stay flipped over for the rest of the round. The players then choose one of the 3 red cards that match the category the most. For example, if the green card contains the word sharp, a good red card to pick would be scissors. Once the player has chosen their card, they'll flip the card so no one sees it and places it in the center. But in our electronic version, the card just stays flipped up when you click it. Then the judge announces to the player which was the winning red card, and the player claims their green card. However, in the electronic version, the judge clicks on the player who has the winning card, and it will increment the scoreboard on the left side of the screen. So some things that I have added to the electronic version is that both players have to have chosen a card before the judge picks a winner. And after the judge has chosen a winner, the card will change and the red cards will flip over. So that was my final project. Thank you.